In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the TCC portal by showing you where to find it, how to log in, and what tools and information you can access. I will also show you how to log in to your TCC email. To begin, you will go to the main TCC webpage at www.tacomacc.edu. Next, you will select the More drop-down option. Here you will see an option for Portal Login. Be aware that students now log in with their TCC email address. To continue and log in, click here. In order to log in, you will need to know your 9-digit student ID number, also known as the CTC Link ID number. This number can be found in an email from TCC after you apply to the college. Your username will follow this formula: the first letter of your first name, your full last name, the last 3 digits of your student ID number or CTC Link ID number, and the 2-digit day you were born. For example, if you were born on the 4th, you would enter 04. Or if you were born on the 24th, you would enter 24. You will then add @student.tacomacc.edu to your username. Your default password should be your full 9-digit CTC Link ID number. You should now be logged in to your TCC portal. Your portal homepage should list your current classes and GPA, as well as your student ID number. If you are a new student or have not registered for classes, the information may be empty. Now, I'm going to show you some of the important tools and information you can access through the portal. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see some important resources listed. Campus safety is a very important number to keep in your phone. They are available on campus 7 days a week and are there to ensure you feel safe and secure as a student. E-learning is a resource for students who are having issues with technology. They have a live helpline you can call, as well as an email address you can send your questions to. In order to pay for tuition, many students apply for financial aid through the FAFSA or WASFA. The financial aid information tile is a great place to begin when you have questions regarding your financial aid. When receiving financial aid, it is very important that you are aware of the academic expectations you must meet in order to maintain your funding. This is called the satisfactory academic progress. Additionally, you may be asked to submit certain forms to our financial aid department. You can find those here. If you plan on using financial aid, I recommend starring some of the information you believe may be useful, such as financial aid forms. What this does is pin this link to your TCC portal homepage. When we go back to the TCC portal homepage, you will now see the starred link under your favorites. To find more resources, go to the waffle in the top right corner. Select it and select All Applications. Here you will find all the applications available to you on the TCC portal. OmniAlert is a tool that you should definitely sign up for. This will allow TCC Safety to send you a text message and email alert to communicate with you in case of a closure or security issue or emergency. Please feel free to explore these applications and star any that you feel will benefit you. Next, I would like you to navigate back to the waffle icon. There you will find 2 very important applications that students will likely use daily. Canvas is your online classroom. Most classes offered at TCC whether they are online, hybrid, or on campus, have a classroom in Canvas. Depending on the class and the instructor, you may have to access Canvas to receive your assignments, submit assignments, and/or check your grade throughout the quarter. Another important application is your campus email through Microsoft Outlook. Since you have already logged onto your portal, it should automatically log you on to your TCC email. Be aware if this is your first time logging in, you may need to select your time zone. If you are in Washington State, that would be the Pacific time zone. You will want to check your email regularly. It is TCC's primary mode of communication with students. Additionally, as a TCC student, you have free access to the Microsoft Office applications, such as Outlook, Word, Excel, and OneDrive, which is a cloud storage that you can access from any computer. Though you are able to access the web-based applications from any computer, you are also able to download the desktop versions to your own personal computer by selecting Office 365 and then choosing Install Office. This concludes the overview on some of the most commonly used resources and tools accessible through the student portal. If you have any questions regarding your portal, or if you need assistance resetting a password, feel free to contact our e-learning department at support@tacomacc.edu or by calling 253-566-5176.